Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. Today we're going to get into some beard enhancement and how to apply it. As you can see, my customer has a full beard and it connects, but I want to give it a richer, fuller appearance. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a little bit of the enhancement. I'm using Kiss Express and I'm going to make a soft line just like this. All I'm doing is basically tracing the outside part of the beard. From there, I'm going to begin to spread it throughout the entire beard, just like you see here. The product I'm using is called Kiss Express. I left a link in the description below so you can purchase it if you want. Next, I use the straight razor to sharpen up the line. The razor blade being used is called Prime. I left a link in the description where you can purchase the blade. For this particular exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. I use this to remove any stray hairs that get in the way of the line. You'll find the link in the description where you can purchase the machine if you're interested. I want the front of his beard to be solid, so I'm going to apply a nice amount when I get to this section. As you can see here, I'm tracing the outside of the bottom lip to get a nice even coverage all over the chin. It's important to know, the paint is not going to spread evenly sometimes. And while you're fixing the beard, you may see some spots that may need a retouch. That's what I'm doing here. And every time I apply paint, I make sure that I check everything else and spread everything out as evenly as I can by using the brush. And here you can see the difference between the two sides of the face. On one side, you have the beard with no enhancement, and on the other side, you got the beard with the enhancement. And from this point on, I'm just going to repeat the same steps.
Next level. Next level. Next level. Next level.
And that's it. Now he's gonna let it process for 25 minutes. After that, he'll wash it off and it'll look natural. To purchase any of the items I used for this video, click the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. And this tutorial has been brought to you by me, the author of How to Become a Six-Figure Barber.